Welcome to a new emergent Bihar, where women from ultra-poor households are increasingly making their presence felt in the economic and social sphere. The ground for this transformation is being laid by the Satat Jivikoparjan Yojana (SJY). Launched in 2018 by the government of Bihar, it is designed to empower ultra-poor households through diversification of livelihoods, capacity building, and improved access to finance. Behind the success of SJY are some unique innovations that are not only transforming the development landscape of Bihar, but setting an example before the world. A key strategy of Satat Jivikoparjan Yojana is to utilize the existing local community institutions of Jivika. Village organizations or VOs and cluster-level federations CLF are central to the implementation of the entire process. Using their local knowledge, the VOs identify the ultra-poor families in every village through participatory rural appraisal mapping. Community members verify this through home visits. The various funds are also channeled through the village organizations. From procurement to distribution, the VO also takes care of the asset transfers. The community organizations, working in close cooperation with the project staff, also play an active role in linking the ultra-poor households to relevant government social welfare schemes and financial institutions. In fact, the community remains invested in the poor households throughout the graduation process and beyond. Another game-changing innovation is the livelihood cluster. Ultra-poor families engaged in the same profession and located in the same geography are networked together to form livelihood clusters. The objective: develop their business and maximize their income. Today, livelihood clusters are coming up all over Bihar. There are dairy clusters, goat clusters, bangle clusters, broom clusters, handicraft clusters, and more. Satat Jivikoparjan Yojana provides every cluster with strong backward and forward linkages. The participants are given continuous hand-holding support, business inputs, and skill enhancement training. Market linkages are developed, and the products are aggregated into existing government marketing platforms. This ensures both greater reach and a fair price. With the advantage of scale and the power of collective negotiation with the market, what was earlier difficult for individual ultra-poor households has now been made possible by the livelihood clusters. Another key innovation is developing a set of cluster-level federation as centers of excellence under the Satat Jivikoparjan Yojana Immersion Site strategy. The centers of excellence are used as demonstration sites for best practices and to facilitate exchange of learnings between every CLF. The VOs and CLFs in the immersion sites are specially trained to perform multiple functions. Modular training is provided for the master resource persons. The program participants are also provided enterprise development training, graduation training, and more. There are also regular refresher courses. The continuous strengthening of every stakeholder has played a key role in the successful outcomes. Today, these centers are important sites for documenting and share learnings as well as exchanging ideas with other community institutions and grassroots organizations, working with the graduation model in India and abroad. Building digital infrastructure is another major innovation that is connecting various dots of this program. An SJY app has been developed for data collection and accessing information. A customized and localized online support system has been created. The stream of digital content accessible through smartphones ensures high quality and timely information for the program staff. This provides an intense mentoring support and guidance to both households and frontline workers, particularly in remote areas. The centralized help desk and call management services, supported by a toll-free number, also provides immediate guidance and ensures faster resolution of issues faced in the field. The new digital dashboard has made tracking of project interventions and household-level outcomes much easier. This real-time monitoring system has helped in improving analytical capabilities for forward-looking program decisions, as well as addressing the issues at a very initial stage. With its innovative community-led, collective approach, Satat Jeevikoparjan Yojana has now become an example not only before the country, but across the world. With the new innovations, a new, more equitable, more empowered Bihar is taking shape.